Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Absolutely beautiful car. This particular car is the Transformers Special Edition. Includes that package, which would have Autobot shield badging on the side, as you can see there. Would also have the Autobot shield on the wheel covers, an embroidered armrest, and the Transformer dorsal plates. Get around to the side and open the door, show you those. So very cool Transformers edition of Bumblebee, made by Chevrolet, put out in 2010, 6.2 liter underneath the hood. The thing about this car is it may be the lowest mile example of Bumblebee out there. This car has 30 miles on it. So it was basically bought, put into a collection. Still has plastic on the carpets, and it is now available to purchase. So if you've been looking for a low mile example of one of these for your collection or to drive, this would be a beautiful example of one of those. This also has the sunroof added, which would have been an option, and the 6-speed automatic transmission was available, and this does have that option. That also came with auto start then. As you can see walking around this car, just absolutely beautiful. Luster, the paint, I mean, ultimately the car's like brand new. If you'd like to check out the engine bay pics, the trunk, undersides, interior, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And this car is stock, just the way it would have came from Chevrolet. Has not had any modifications done to it. Open the door up, you can see seating area being like brand new. As you can see, the plastic on the floor yet. Peel that up, floor mats can be like brand new. Go ahead, check out the miles. There it is, 30 miles on this 2010 Chevrolet. There's the Transformers door sill plates. Another part of that special edition package. Around to the back, so you can hear it run, like I said, stock exhaust. Absolutely beautiful car. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle or like to know more about it, feel free to give us a call. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Or like I said, if you'd like to check out any of the still pics, underside, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. 2010 Chevy Camaro Transformers Special Edition with 30 miles.